Hey future pioneers, my name is Teresa, or Coach T, and I am the varsity girls lacrosse coach at Hill Murray. I've been coaching at Hill Murray for 8 years and I've loved every minute of it. Being a small part of an athlete's journey to become a successful young woman is a true honor. Something unique about our program is that our entire coaching staff are Hill Murray alumni, so we really strive to bring the caring culture and community of the school into our locker room and onto the lacrosse field. You will always see smiles and hear laughter from our team because we're one big family that loves to have fun. However, when we hit the lacrosse field, we mean business. We challenge each other, support each other, and teach each other. In the past 6 years, we have earned 4 Metro East Conference Championship trophies and are now hungrier than ever for our first section championship title. Girls lacrosse is a spring sport for girls in grades 7 through 12 to try out for our JV and varsity teams. All experience levels are welcome. Lacrosse is a great cross-training sport for soccer, basketball, hockey, and alpine ski athletes. Thank you so much for your interest in the Hill Murray Girls Lacrosse program. I wish you nothing but the best as you start your journey as a pioneer, and I hope to see you on the lacrosse field soon. Go Pioneers!